Happy birthday to me. 1, 2, 3, pony ride. Whee! Oh my goodness. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Vampirina. That's me. Happy birthday to me. Yay! Mom? Dad? Whoa! Giant cake! But hey, well, where is everyone? Boys and girls, it's my birthday, but it looks like everyone's missing, except they left me this giant cake. Oh, it looks like maybe there's stuff inside. Let's open it! First, let's take a look at this cake before we start looking for them. It looks like there's numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A 10-layer cake. I wonder if there's anything on the back. Let's see here. Hey, look! It's pictures of me and my family. This is the coolest cake I've ever seen. Gregoria, Bridget, Demi, Wolfie, Mom, Dad, and me. Maybe there's something inside the cake. Come on. It looks like each layer comes off. Whoa, what are those? They look like slug berries, one of my favorites. I love them. Whee! So yummy. Oh, sorry. Okay, next one. What are these? Gummy Worms! My other favorite! Oh, they're huge! And squishy. Okay, I'm gonna save those for later. Let's see what's in the next one. Gummy fish! There's all kinds of candy in this cake. I guess it is my birthday, huh? Oh, yum! I love these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gummy fish. Hey, maybe Gregoria is hiding in here. That's her, right? Let's see. Ugh. Hey, what's this? A fidget spinner! I love these things! Spin, spin, spin. Whoa! Whee! Whee! Woo! Wow! I love fidget spinners. They're one of my favorite toys. And I like the color red too. Okay, let's see. Hey! That looks like my best friend Bridget. Bridget, are you hiding in here? I don't think she is, but we'll see. That's not Bridget, that's Wolfie! Oh, but look guys, he gave me a present. It's my super awesome Batpack. Oh, cool, I can wear it to school. La 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 la. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you, Wolfie. Oh, love you too. Okay, Demi's on this one. Maybe he flew through it since he's a ghost. He can go through walls. That's pretty cool. But I don't know. Whoa. Hey, maybe all of these pictures are there to represent who gave me the gift. So maybe Demi gave me these slimes. What colors did I get? This one looks purple. I love the color purple. My eyes are actually purple and my backpack's purple. Ooh, and there's like rainbows in there. And glitter. Cool. Whoa, and it squishes so cool. Ew, get off my head. Okay, let's look at the other one. Let's see. Blue! Blue's a cool color too. This one has blue dots and oh cool, it's got like little pieces of fruit. oranges, lemons, limes, strawberries, watermelon. I wonder if I could eat it. Ew, I don't eat slime. Gross. Or maybe I do. I'm a vampire. Ooh. Oh, I just broke it in half. Squish, squish. Okay. Slime is very distracting. Let's open up the next part of the cake. Hey, that's a picture of Wolfie. But he was in... This doesn't make sense. He gave me this backpack. Well, maybe the pictures are just there for fun. Let's see. Okay. Ponies! Oh my goodness! My little pony mermaids! Ah! Rarity and Twilight Sparkle. I love my little ponies. They are so beautiful and oh look, we kind of match, purple and pink. Let's go on a pony ride! Whee! Twilight Sparkle! Woo! Oh, I love her! Hey, there's a picture of my mom. I wonder why. More ponies! This day could not get any better, except that I don't know where anyone is, but okay. Rainbow Dash. I think she might be my favorite. Is this Fluttershy? Oh my goodness. She's so pretty. Look at her pink hair. And oh, Pinkie Pie, the funny one. Oh, look. So many ponies. And it looks like they're just lounging in the sun. Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie, Rarity, Rainbow Dash, and Twilight Sparkle. Boys and girls, comment below with your favorite My Little Pony. Maybe it's the same as mine. Okay, let's keep opening up this cake. Look, it's Dad. Hey, I found the whole rest of my family! Surprise! Happy birthday, Vampirina! Yay! Mom, Dad, Bridget, Demi, Gregoria, you all made it, and you were hiding inside the cake the whole time. We really wanted to trick you, Vampirina. You really did. I didn't know where you were, but it was a really fun surprise. Thank you for all the presents. You're welcome. We all picked them out together. We knew you liked ponies, fidget spinners, and candy. I love all of it. Thank you so much, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vampirina. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Time to eat cake. This was probably one of the best birthdays I've ever had. Well, this is probably one of the best birthdays I've ever been to. Hey, let's play with my new ponies. Oh, yes! Which is your favorite? I like Fluttershy. Oh, cool! I think I like maybe Twilight Sparkle. I can't decide. Come on! Whee! Mermaid ponies! Woo! Let us know if you'd like to see more Vampirina videos in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone.